Foreknown but not forced. Was Judas born to betray Jesus? Isang question kung alam na ni God ang mangyayari. May choice pa ba si Judas? So, let's see what the scripture actually says about this. In John chapter 17, verse 12, it says that none of them is lost, Jesus said, but the son of perdition, that the scripture might be fulfilled. So, ang isang Greek phrase ay ito'y nagsasabing ho hoios tes apoleias, means the son belonging to destruction. Ibig sabihin, si Judas ay tinawag na anak ng kapahamakan. Hindi dahil na pinilit siya ni God, kundi dahil siya mismo ang pumili ng daang iyon. So this is what we call God's foreknowledge. Alam niya beforehand. It doesn't mean he forced Judas to act. Knowing is not forcing. So, ang karagdagang tanong ay, so kung alam ng Diyos ang gagawin mo, may saysay pa ba ang free will mo? God may know your tomorrow, but He still allows you to choose today. Our responsibility remains. That's why what we decide daily still matters to God. So ito pong pangwakas. Si Judas po was foreknown, not forced. Alam ni God ang mangyayari, pero si Judas pa rin ang pumili.